Welcome to AI Money with Emmy, the place where you learn simple ways to make money with AI step by step. I made my first $100 using AI, and the crazy part is, I didn't have any special skill, I just knew how to use ChatGPT the right way. I remember sitting with my phone one day scrolling and feeling stuck. No money coming in, just ideas in my head. Then I found out something simple. People are making money just by creating content for others using AI. Not coding, not anything complicated, just simple things like writing posts, captions, and ideas. And I thought, if they can do it, why not me? Here's the thing. Most people think making money online is hard. They think you need experience, or you need to learn something big before you start. But what if I tell you, you can start with something very simple. Something you already see every day. Every business you see online needs content. They need captions, posts, ideas, things to keep their page active. The problem is, many of them don't know what to write, and that's where you come in. With ChatGPT, you can literally generate content in seconds, and people are willing to pay for that. Imagine this. Instead of sitting and worrying about money, you can actually open your phone, ask ChatGPT to create content, and send it to someone who needs it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know how to ask the right questions. In less than 10 minutes, you can create something useful, something someone else is willing to pay for. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere. No office, no boss, just you, your phone, and a simple system that works. That's how people are quietly building small income online today. Because let's be honest, being broke is not just about money. It's the stress, the overthinking, the feeling that you want to do something but don't know where to start. You see others doing well online, and you wonder if it's even possible for you. You try different things, but nothing seems to work. That frustration, that's what keeps most people stuck. Not because they are not smart, but because they don't have a simple direction. Now you might be thinking, I don't have experience, or I'm not good with tech, or even, this won't work for me. I used to think the same way. I thought I needed to learn everything before I start. But the truth is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to start small. ChatGPT is literally there to guide you. You can ask it questions, you can tell it what you want, and it will help you step by step. So the real question is not, can you do it? The real question is, are you willing to try? You don't need to wait for the perfect time. Start small. Pick one thing, maybe writing captions, maybe content ideas. Use ChatGPT, practice, and send your first message to someone. You can even start with people around you. Tell them you're helping businesses create content using AI and offer to do it for free at first so they can recommend you. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but that's how every beginning feels. The difference between people who succeed and those who don't is simple. One group tries, the other keeps waiting. And you don't want to keep waiting. If you want simple ways to make money with AI, follow AI Money with Emmy. I'll break everything down step by step, so you can actually start and see results